Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to set up your own virtual machine. So the first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome and search up Windows 10 download. So we're doing this to download the ISO file from online. So I'll go ahead and open that. And now what you want to do is click on the download tool now. This should be free, guys. So now what you want to do is run this as an administrator. And once you run it as an administrator, it's going to get a few things ready for us. And now what you want to do is create installation media. Click on that and click next. This by default should be good, so we'll just go ahead and click next. And now what you want to do is click on the ISO file. Make sure you guys click on the ISO file because this is a very important step. And then click next. So this will take a while depending on your internet speed. I have sped up this process to not bore you guys with this installation. So it's just creating the Windows 10 media, and then once it's done, you'll just click on finish, and I'll go ahead and open up the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. So as you guys can see, there's nothing on the left toolbox, so we'll just go ahead and create new, and I'll go ahead and give it a name of Windows 11. You guys can name it anything you want, but since we're installing Windows 11, we'll just go ahead and put that. And folder is where you where it's saved, so you want to, by default it's saved there. As you guys can see now, I'll go ahead and select the ISO image that I downloaded earlier, so click on other. And then this will be my ISO image will be saved in the C drive, and then my ISO file should be in the ISO folder. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And now as you guys can see, it has detected the OS type at the bottom. And there's two ways of doing this. You can skip the unattended installation, but for our case we're gonna go ahead and click on skip unattended installation because I want to show you guys a few things. So then we'll go ahead and click next. So now we're gonna have to choose our hardware. So anything in the orange and the red is unsafe for your CPU, and anything in the green should be good. So you wanna this really depends on you, depending on how many virtual box systems you're gonna create. So for me, since I'm only creating one, I'll just use the default ones and click on next. And then you also can increase the processor depending on how much you wanna depending on your computer, how much you wanna allot to that virtual box. And now you're gonna have to select your virtual hard disks. So this again depends on your CPU and how much you wanna allot your virtual hard disk to that virtual box. I'm just gonna reduce it from 80 GB to 100. So we're gonna click on use an existing virtual hard disk file. That's only if you have an existing hard disk file, but I don't, so we just click on next. And now you want to just make sure that you click the right things, and there you go, guys. We have created our virtual box And now we'll go ahead and go into, we can also change the name, the version. So ours is Windows 11 64-bit. Go to advanced. You can change your location for your VirtualBox. You can also enable disk encryption. You can also change your base memory and the CPU, as I showed you guys, as I told you in your installation, but we don't need to worry about that because we'll just leave it as is. And then you can also enable or disable audio, and you can also do some of the networking settings from here. So mine is attached to NAT, so if you have multiple adapters, you can also attach those as well. But but for now we'll just go ahead and just go with adapter 1 and click OK. Start. So now we're gonna go ahead and start our Windows 11. So it's gonna start loading. So since this is the first time we have installed Windows 11 on our VirtualBox, it might take a while because it's a new Windows. So we'll give it some time. So VirtualBoxes are really cool because you can use them in your workplace anywhere you want. And these settings, you can choose them however you want. These are basic installation tips. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Take care.